Okay, we got it together, and guess what, ho? Glueless! Nadula Hair. Be confident, be bold, be you, baby, be you. We're back with another one from Nadula Hair. First things first, peep the fit. Peep the fit, ho. Gang, gang. Nadula gang, okay? So we're coming through with this 13 by 4, okay, lace front wig. This is a brown curly lace front wig, honey blonde highlight, ombre wig. They gave it all the feels, all the words, all the names. They gave it to them. This is a TL412 color, okay. I have her in 24 inches of Love, Sex, and Magic. She's currently going for just under $300, but Nadula.com has all of the afterpays, clear pays, baby daddy pays, get your auntie to pay, break it up in 4 pay, okay? So this unit has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. It also has lace in the back, adjustable straps.
So let me go on ahead. Y'all, did y'all see that? Look at that lace. Guess what we're going to do? Wear this mother jumper glueless. So I'm getting on in to this Nadula Hair T4112 curly wig, okay? And she is really already providing. I really don't want to do too much to her. I kind of want to keep her as, I guess, natural as possible. But I'm just going to go through and add some baby hairs. Y'all know I'm not good at it, but I'm going to do it any damn way. So I'm just going on through, adding a few baby hairs in because I really want this to be a really easy glueless look. And I find that it's easier sometimes to do a glueless look when you have your baby hairs in. So I am going on through with my Lotta Body mousse, okay? We are going to mousse this baby down because we want defined curls and we want our baby hairs to stay in place. So I'm going to do a little bit of molding in this moment, okay? Get on into it. I'm going to take my time and get this unit together, and I'll see you on the other side.
Said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with. I said I'm sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream. Sipping on that lean, careful with my team. Sipping on that lean, careful with the cream.
Okay, we got it together, and guess what, ho? Glueless! I'm like on a glueless trend. It is the summertime. I don't want to be glued down. I don't want to be oppressed. I don't want to be held back. I don't want to be marginalized, okay? And that's what this unit is giving. The lace on this unit is absolutely stunning. Like, I really, really want to get you guys to understand that. Like, look at this lace, y'all. I'm busting up on you. Okay, I think the mousse took off some of my makeup, which is problematic. So let me fix that. Let me find my other brush. There's another brush. Yeah, so this unit is absolutely positively stunning. I'm so glad that she is glueless. It's not even funny. Like, are you kidding? Like, I didn't use any glue. We really just put her on. Like, are you kidding me? This is really, really beautiful. Nadula Hair really came through. Now, I was a little bit worried, if I'm being honest, about the texture of this hair. Because when I got it, she felt a little bit pretzels and peanuts. A bit crunchy. You know what I mean? But I went through, I used Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls some water and some mousse. I got my Lot of Body coconut and shea oil mousse, and I just ran that through the unit, and I feel like we got a winner chicken dinner. Okay, so I'm gonna turn around. You tell me if you can see my tracks in the back though, because y'all know how we get in. How is she looking in the back? The texture of this hair feels so good. Like, I'm really into this, guys. Like, I'm really into this. Now the track is giving a little tracky right here. I'm not really into that. Not truly into that, but we're gonna bring her down. There you go. But you look at that scalp. That's a good lace, honey. That is a good motherfucking lace. Now, I really don't have much more to say. This unit is going for $300 again on nadula.com, so please check them out. She is a T412 color, okay? I really do like the color. It's just enough blonde highlight. I mean, just enough. Okay, I'm feeling very butter pecan, okay, and I like it, so if you have not already, oh, this is so sexy. Is it me? My part is getting a little crooked, but I got like real depth perception issues, so most of the time my part is going to be crooked because it's my eyes are like that. You know, I'm suffering, but yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? Look at that. No glue. No mammy tatum glue. Easy breezy, beautiful Nadula hair. So if you have not already, first down, subscribe to this mammy tatum channel. I done came in, threw this bitch up on my head and got her together, and y'all need to clap for me in the back, okay? And I'll see you beautiful mother jumpers later. Bye.